This moment is quite interesting part of the history. I'm at the moment in the city of Koblenz, in a Deutsches Eck in West Germany. This place is one of the most popular tourist destination of the whole country. And I'm here alone. Literally alone. Amazing. This town is, or village I would say, is Boppard, nearby Koblenz, a little bit down. And this river behind me is the River Rhein. So it's a very beautiful town actually. Old historical town. So let me show some nice details here for you. few days here in the Rhine-Mosel area in Germany's west part, nearby the border of Luxembourg actually. About 1 hour from here. It's been very interesting to stay here in Koblenz. You saw actually it was very rainy here at the first day. Now it's not so rainy, and we have already some people around here. I had a chance to visit also in some small villages around this area, and this is one of the most beautiful area in the Europe. Challenge me if I'm wrong. I would say this vlog is coming to end, almost over and out, but before that it's a dinner time. Going to the Greek restaurant to eat delicious Greek food. Please join my dinner. Now in a Greek restaurant, my choice today is chicken with rosemary kartoffel, means rosemary potato. Till next time, see you there.